Mercedes Benz 2013 E350 convertible top, new fender, repair the door, repair the quarter panel. That's the new fender. Like I say, it's the E350 convertible. Let's get to it. Got it masked all up. Well, that's the new fender. Got it masked up because it's a collision repair, so we ain't painting everything else. Got it masked up. You know, it's primed up, blocked out. What I'm gonna come through, all the pinholes and stuff, you know, I went through that. I don't do the body work. I know how to do body work, but I don't do body work. I'm exclusive painter, custom work, exotic cars. So, but I'm gonna come through and seal it. You know, I'm gonna seal all that. This the original paint, body work, prime, but I'm gonna seal it. Seal it for extra insurance, and it also give me a chance to look for any more imperfections. I can do a light sanding here and there, and we're gonna run with it. Stay tuned. Be back. Got my sealer mix. Go in here and apply some sealer. Let that flash off. See how it's looking. And get to that base. This sealer, black sealer, not paint. I got the sealer laid. It's sealed now. All the parts sealed. But see, I came through, seen a couple pinholes, filled them up, sanded a little trash out, you know, gave me a little more insurance of what it's gonna be like. Now I'm finna come with that base. Ain't that good clear. The paint I'll be using for this job, water base. You know, I love solvent. That's what I was born off. But it's 2019, so we'll be spraying water base. Spies Hecker, high tech. You know, it's Spies Hecker, for you guys that don't know, it's basically the new DuPont. Spies Hecker brought DuPont, and DuPont brought, it's the new DuPont. Put it like that. You do your research. But this water base that I will be spraying, as you see, this is the mix and bank. As I go back and get real big, I mix all my own colors. There we have it. Final product. All glassed up. Fender. See me in it. You see me. Glass. Still in the booth. Ain't been tucking out yet, ain't been unmasked yet, ain't been wet sand yet, ain't been buff yet, and like we still in the booth. I know it's booth with a TH, but it's booth. Might get some t-shirts. Live from the booth. Let y'all see it outside. Before the buff, before all that.